The Porsche Cayenne Turbo Electric is designed for buyers who want extreme performance with electric efficiency in a luxury SUV. It delivers supercar-level acceleration, going from 0-100 kilometers per hour in around 2.5 seconds, while still offering comfortable seating, premium interior quality, and daily usability. The powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive system provides instant torque, making overtaking effortless and driving smooth in city and highway conditions. With a large battery and fast-charging 800-volt system, the Cayenne Turbo Electric offers a long driving range, over 600 kilometers WLTP, and very quick charging, ideal for long trips. Advanced features like adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and Porsche's latest driver assist systems ensure excellent handling, safety, and ride comfort. This SUV is best for buyers who want luxury, performance, and modern EV technology without compromising space or brand prestige. Estimated price, USA, from around $160,000, Europe, from around 165,000 euros, Middle East, Asia, varies by taxes and options.